speaking of Dan, me don't know where you go call that one here, but for a few days, I have been seeing this story about this councillor, and I am shocked to really find out what was really going on. I don't know, couldn't even link me and make me know what going on top. This is Councillor Purcell, and he have admitted of the viral video that has been going around. He has been beating and teaching in Little Johnny, and it seems like he had to get released from his councillor post. Now, in shocking news, it appears that PNP Councillor Uphell Purcell has admitted his role with spanking the ranking. I heard of beat and teach, but it seemed like him did not play hide and seek. Because at this point, it seems like the person in this video, the viral video that's been going on, is Uphell Purcell. And he have confessed it in the video that did leak. This video has gone viral, ladies and gentlemen. It shows a councillor from the PNP, the People's National Party. He was master while he was baiting the hook. And this is while he was undressed. Unbelievable. You mean the big man, Pandy Rankin, got caught doing the spanking? No. The councillor Uphell Purcell of the Yorktown Division in Clarendon, the South West side, has since admitted that the man in the video doing the spanking ranking, yeah, me I talk about choking the chicken. What I'm talking about, he was beating and teaching himself. He admitted that it was him. Him said him did not do it for a while. Woman, I don't know. At this point in life, I would suggest councillors, don't do those things. It don't look good. You could have called over this person and done it live, but you want video it and send it across the internet. You are fool. Like you did not go to good school. How did you become a councillor? You need counseling. Now the circulation of this video stated there was an allegation from this councillor saying that he was compromised and that he was hacked and him want to blame people for hack him. I lie them and I tell. The circulating allegation stated the video, which shows the councillor in a definitely compromising position as he pleasured himself, was sent to a male with whom Purcell was involved, but then leaked it. According to Purcell, who spoke with Jamaican Star about the incident, he was shocked when it was released and reported to the police as cybercrime. Not gonna save you. Not going to save you. It sounds like you was playing a game of poking doodle. Don't rampy the thing a data guan pan wata guan in a the PNP thing. You know here what guan? Purcell, a councillor in the Yorktown Division since 98. From them time the him a wibble and a go on like a bait. He said he was a victim of crime, citing a violation of his privacy. The video, less than 2 minutes long, began circulating some days now. Wow. Him done. Him done. Wanna hear what I say? I am not talking like this for fun. Him done. Yeah, him can't forward in a politics. You better leave yard. Because it sounds like you're an uncounselable fraud. The video, less than 2 minutes long, circulating some days now, and said that it was called up multiple meeting by the party to discuss the matter. Nevertheless, Purcell remained optimistic about the issue being fully resolved and rejected the rumors of him leaving the PNP and his divisional and his constituents' duty. He, however, said that he could not comment on whether that he had plans to leave the public position. Well, let me comment for you, because right now him resign. Him have to resign because everybody said this is a spanking crime. You cannot beat up yourself like that as a big man. That is disgraceful. You understand? Imagine you're spanking, ranking, and have nobody to be thanking. What is going on? It seems like I too much peanuts punch him deep drinking. Listen to me, people. The councillor, them call him Uphell Purcell. Yeah, from the south part. But listen to me, man. Me don't understand. Why would he put himself in such a compromising role? Why would you put yourself in such a compromising role? Them say, you do the video for a man where you did involve in her. The footage was 64 seconds, which is recorded from a video call, shows the councillor possession in a compromising way, pleasuring himself for the other person on the video call. The emoji was used to conceal the identity of the other party on the video. Purcell, who has been a councillor since 98. So in fact, the matter of this is a lewd and lascivious situation. Purcell tried to cover up a thing and talk about this was done for a woman. What kind of nasty PNP politician this? He? Mankind? Them unkind. And then him want to come talk about him constitutional right was violated, but it was private. Well, his constituents and the South West part of Clarendon tell him, say, him fi step down. Him fi step down. And they have accepted his resignation, ladies and gentlemen. We don't want no boy like this in our council. If you do them thing here, you need to do it by yourself. But you video it and send it across internet, you fool. What you think man a go do? Them a screen record where you... What kind of nasty man that do? For you record another man a spanking, ranking? What kind of thing is going on in my island? Big politician get caught up in make the wrong decision. Nastiness never pay. Listen to me. Astray the boy astray. Him shouldn't be out there anyway. Sound like him a wibble. Sound like him a wobble. Sound like him gay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roads TV. If you want to hear the truth,